Hello students, today my lecture is about to how to create and manage the relationship within the Power BI environment. First of all, I will like to tell you that whenever we are going to upload any tables in the Power BI, it will automatically develop in the relationship pane. Here is the relationship pane where you will get the each table separately, and whenever you need to build relationship, so you have to match the keys between the fact tables and dimension table. Here I have there are several fact tables and dimension table and lookup table and data table like, and first of all I am going to create the relationship between the this customer key and this is the actually this is a lookup table with this sales table. So for this the simple method is that I just drag and drop the key like this. If I drag and drop the customer key and put into this total sales call table, so it will create the simple relationship very easily. But another method which is very quite easy and very helpful and easy to manage. You have to click on this manage relationship tab and then go to the new tab. This is very easy method and very professional way of doing any and for creating any relationship. I have the here a lookup of customer just like this, AW the customer, and from where I want to create the relationship, it's a total sales column. Here there is a customer key like this. I have to click on this, and then the customer key which is available on the sales column, I need to click on this and then press OK like this. So it will create the relationship between customer key and the total sales key just like that. Here you go, and after pressing key, it is doing some working and create the relationship like this. So please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Thank you very much.